It seems trends are ever changing. Trends in fashion, trends in design, trends in homes and materials. And you wonder, what should I do this year? Got a friend of mine, Amy Maynor from Beauty for Homes, to share some of the latest trends in design. Amy, welcome.
Welcome. Well, I'm happy to be here.
We match. We're a little bit like twinsies.
Didn't mean to.
No, I'm going to ask you this. Color is an important part of design, whether it's in a home or in fashion. I am teased, ridiculed, known for being virtually always in a blue blazer. Is blue always okay? Here we are in 2020. Is blue still strong, or am I just out of it?
Well, blue in fashion it's always in style. But it just so happens that navy blue is one of the trends this year. We're seeing a lot of movement to more color. It's almost as if winter is over and spring is here in design. And navy blue and various shades of blue, but bolder colors are definitely in. Painting rooms in a monochromatic color, bold greens, and even different shades of mauve or pinks, lighter pinks are definitely in style. So there's pops of colors coming in everywhere. Another thing that's really changing is white kitchens are definitely moving away from that just sterile. Sterile is out, color is in. So one of the things that we're seeing a trend is a lot of black and white in kitchens and beautiful kind of color on color. Mm-hmm. The black tones and all of the hundreds of shades of blacks and charcoals and grays down to white, those are definitely becoming the new white. So color is back, and I'm really excited.
In kitchens, I love subway tile, the white subway tile with an occasional, look at you, I'm out of style. I'm just sharing what I love.
Yes.
The white subway tile
clean.
And then with an occasional interspersed black tile.
Yes.
Now, I've shared honestly, I love that. How far out of present trend am I with that attraction?
Well, subway tile is very clean. And as a real estate investor, I modify all of my plans with size of the kitchen, height of the ceiling.
Sure.
Really, you don't want to create an all-black kitchen in a tight and small space.
No.
Color is back. So when you can combine what you love, that's really important in design. Subway tile is starting to move more in the back seat, but it's still very popular, and adding the extra pieces of color are definitely on trend.
You're just trying to make me feel better.
Not so much.
If I want to bring trend into my home every year or two, yet I don't want to do everything every year. Talk to me about drapes, about bedspreads, about other accessorizing, having the color come from the accessory to drive down the cost and drive up the ability to easily change out with trend.
So my motto for my business is luxury for less. So one of my mainstays is staying fairly neutral in your main space, the walls, the drapery rods, the built-ins, where you stay in a more neutral palette. And the trend as far as decor goes is really, there's a trend called grand millennialism. And this is what I love because it's bringing all of those beautiful antiques and handcrafted wood pieces, and it's bringing a lot of color from a European influence into a rather neutral palette. So for example, I would say get a comfortable, more modern, more squared lines, not completely rounded, a really great couch, and then just fill it up with beautiful pillows. Those can always be changed. But the trend is definitely going more towards an eclectic design, and that is actually my favorite. I do modern for clients, I do more traditional, and it's taking bits and pieces of handcrafted materials and pairing them with more modern pieces. And so that's all very much the trend, and comfort is probably the word I would use. Comfort and warmth has come back into design, and that I love. People want to be able to enjoy the space they live in.
Sure.
So it's a trend that I love personally, and I think is an easier trend for people to work with on any budget.
Well, you're easy to have a conversation with. I love your creative ideas. For folks who'd like to sit and enjoy a one-on-one conversation, much like I'm having, except they can have it on their own.
Yes.
What's the best way to get a hold of you?
They can reach me, they can text me or contact me. My work number is very easy. It's 904-525-2526.
I like that. Amy's great fun. She has fabulous ideas. And what I enjoy about conversations with Amy is she'll hear what I'm excited about and then take my excitation and turn it into something that comes out great rather than me just boogering it up on my own.